Have you ever spent way too long searching for that product image in your Shopify store? To be honest, you're not alone. Well, today I'm going to show you how to manage your images like a pro in your Shopify store. And that includes a secret shortcut that a lot of people don't know about. So let's break down everything you need to know about Shopify's image library, from basic access to organization tricks. Okay, the straightforward way of actually accessing your images in Shopify is to go to your admin and click on the content button on the left-hand side, or the content icon on the left-hand side. And what you want to do here is you don't want meta objects. What you want to do is click on files. And when you click on files, it brings up all the files, all the images that you have for your Shopify store. This will include featured images, like featured blog images, and it also includes all of your product images here as well. You can also upload files by simply clicking on this button here, or if you want to upload directly from a URL, you just click on this down arrow here, and then you can upload from a URL. Also, if you want to find out what reference this image is, so say for example this image here, if we want to find out which product it refers to, we can click on the right hand side here where it says one product. And in the drop down, it shows you the actual product that it's actually referring to. Now, when you click on that link, it takes you directly to the admin side of the product. And that is where you'll know exactly where that image is actually coming from. So Shopify actually allows you to upload JPEG files, PNG files, WebP files, and also GIFs, believe it or not. But what Shopify prefers you to do is it prefers you to upload WebP files. But guys, here's the important part. Each file must be below 20 megabytes and have a maximum resolution of 20 megapixels. And I can't stress this enough. This is crucial in order for your store to perform at its best. Now, I'm going to give you a quick tip here. Most owners just dump their images into their store library, but there's something you can do that's a little bit different. You can create a naming convention using the product SKU plus a descriptor. For example, BL001-main for your blue shirt's main image. This makes searching and filtering incredibly easy. And here's a shocker that you probably didn't know. Did you know that you can actually upload 20 images simultaneously? You can actually drag and drop the images into a file section. And guys, just remember, proper organization will save you hours in the long run. So now you know how to actually manage your image library like a pro. So guys, if you like this video, you'll definitely want to join my free school community called the Ecom Network. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. Thanks a lot. My name's Des, and I'll see you in the next video.